Hi guys, it's Sherry. I hope that you are having a wonderful day. Y'all, let's have some cutie cute fun. Stay tuned. So, first thing first, not wearing my brace because I took it off to give it a little bath. And my wrist is doing better, but it's not completely healed. And for all of you who have asked about it, thank you so much. It is getting better, but the soreness is still there, and I can tell that I have a little ways to go before it's back to normal. But the swelling has gone down, and it is feeling way better than it was feeling before. But I will be back in my brace, so you guys will see that. I just wanted to let you know that that's the reason why I'm not wearing it today. But I wanted to show you guys the really cute little clips that I made. They're all dry now. And some of you asked about this burlap flower. The burlap flower was actually purchased from Tuesday Morning. I did not make these. I don't have that talent to make beautiful burlap flowers like this. So I used store-bought flowers and then put my clip on the back. But after my clips have dried for 24 hours, they're on there really well. And I can now maneuver these all over my clipboard or put them on the refrigerator with the magnet on the back, and you've got a cute little refrigerator magnet. These have so many different uses, and you guys have really shared some wonderful ideas on how you intend to use these and to make these. You talked about the wind chimes at Dollar Tree. Someone even mentioned that in the kitty section of stores, sometimes they'll have items that we can take and incorporate and turn it into a topper like this. So y'all are a wealth of creativity and ways to use different things that I don't even think about from time to time. So keep the comments coming. Leave comments below today on how you're going to use these, because I would love to continue to hear about that. But I wanted to show you guys all of my cuties are completely dry. And you saw me make the larger clipboard, and I'm going to bring it back in, which is this one. And this one measures 8 by 10. And then when I put my little clip on it, you can see just how cute that is. But today, we're going to do something a little bit different. So we don't always have to make our items large. We can make them smaller. And I'll let you guys in on a little secret that some of you might already know. Small items sell great at craft fairs. There is just something about a small board like this that is just appealing to the craft fair goer. We like smaller things. We like little notepads like this that are just small, and we can toss it into our purse, our bag, and we don't have to deal with a whole lot of bulk. This is perfect to just jot down a little note to yourself, or to put on the refrigerator and put your grocery list on and just write on it. And when we swap it out for some of these little cute, see, I keep going back to the frog because I really do like this little guy. But when we swap it out, look at how cute that is. We take one of our flowers, swap it out on this, and you can see just how perfect these are. And these are eye catchers for your craft fairs. So today I am simply going to show you a different size, and we're going to make this size really quick. This size here is 3 by 6. So I have a piece of chipboard that's cut at 3 by 6, and then I've covered it in paper. And then on the back I have a smaller piece of chipboard that is 2 3/4 by 5 3/4, and that's what I have on the back for this one. So I have basically just double stacked the chipboard for thickness, and we're going to make this one today, and you're going to see how quick it is to make these in all different sizes. Because if you're doing a craft fair, oh my goodness, a combination like this one and then the one we're going to make today, when they're laid out and you've got the different patterns but the same color family, total eye catcher. So here is what we're going to need for today's project. We will need a piece of chipboard that measures 5 by 6. We will need another piece of chipboard that measures 4 7/8 by 5 7/8. Then I have a piece that measures 6 by 7. And I have another piece that also measures 6 by 7. So let's go ahead and get started on making this. And I have already placed tape on the back. So I am going to remove my tape. And now that my tape is removed, the green polka dots is going to be my outside. So I'll take my larger piece and I'm going to place it down just like that. Flip it over and just smooth out my tape. Now I'll pick this up and I am going to fold over my edges. Use my finger blade and go ahead and miter my ends. I hope you guys can hear those birds out there. I'm able to sit with my door open today because it is 80 degrees. 80 degrees. Can you guys believe that? It's beautiful. So I have my door open and the birds are just giving me a wonderful show. Okay, so now that my edges are mitered, I'll simply take my glue. You can use your tape runner or you can use tape. And I am simply going to get this stuck down on all 4 sides. I'll use my bone folder to really get that stuck. And then once that is stuck down on all 4 sides, we're going to go ahead and do the back piece. So like I said, I am doubling up on my chipboard because I really want a firmness to this that if you're writing on it, it's not going to sink as you place pressure. So I have my piece that measures 4 7/8 by 5 7/8, and I am going to place that down on this piece that measures 6 by 7. And I will fold over my edges on all 4 sides, and then I will miter my ends. And I will take my glue again and just fold over my ends. So I have my front and I have my back, and I am simply going to place some glue on my back piece. And then I am going to stick it to the front. And because I have cut it just slightly shorter, I am going to have just a little bit of a border going around. And now I'll use my bone folder and just put some pressure on this. And I'm going to flip it over and put some pressure this way. And then one thing that I wanted to point out, if you ever find yourself with these little points here, just take them and tamp them down on your workspace, and you can get rid of them very easily, and your project will be just fine. Okay, so now we get to put one of our cute little clips on this. And I am going to put this one on, and then I am going to bring the other 2 back in. And holy guacamole, Batman, is that not cute? Is that not an eye catcher? So you're at a craft fair, you walk by a table and they have a whole collection of things like this, and they've got it grouped by color, and you've got this cute little presentation right here. Of course you're going to stop, and of course you're going to buy these. This is such a great way of presenting and catching anyone's eye. Let's go with complementary patterns in the same color scheme. It all works. This is so stinking cute. And you can actually give this as a gift set, or sell these as a gift set, or sell them or gift them individually. It's totally up to you. but I love how this has turned out. So y'all play around with some different sizes of chipboard and come up with some that work for you. So just imagine making a little tiny clip, but you make a chipboard base that is like 3x3. That's so cute. And like I said, for some reason, we love tinies. And these little clipboards are perfect for the refrigerator, perfect for the desk, just a perfect little way to have something in your hand if you need to take a note and just start writing something precious, cute, and sweet. I hope that you guys have liked this project. And if you have, please hit the like button. If you are not a subscriber to my channel, come on. I would love to have you join the online crafting family. Y'all have a great day. Happy crafting, and we'll chat later. Bye.